All right, guys, this is one of the benefits of the UV. Puppy is back on the floors. What's him or her?
It's a her.
What's her name?
Her name is Molly.
Molly. Hey, Molly. Back on the floors. Look at that. Say, hold on, something. My floors look different.
Don't have an accident.
Hey, Molly. Hey, pretty girl.
Get some fresh air. Come on.
She's loving these floors.
Yeah, they're beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. Molly's loving these floors. Oh,
Oh, look at her.
look at that.
Molly.
She is loving these floors. Wow.
Rub your face on the floor. Come on, Molly, go potty. Molly.
Wow, she's really loving these floors.
Crazy.
Does she normally do that?
No.
No.
We don't normally have
She does not want to get. Come, hey, how you doing?
Hi, good.
I'm Courtney. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm the one that picked you.
You the one that picked me.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
I went on the internet and I kept coming back to your company. So I
Well,
thought,
thank you. So first, look at that color correction I did for you guys. Look at that.
beautiful.
Nice job.
That looks good, doesn't it, William?
I like the color overall.
Yes. So you can walk on it. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. And you wanted that nice sheen, didn't you, William?
Yeah.
Yep. Look at this.
Beautiful.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So what I'm about to do now is the UV cure. And what that's going to do is instantly cure the finish. So the dogs, the rug, and the furniture can go right back on the floors.
Really?
Yes.
Great.
You're amazing, I'll tell you.
Thank you.
You did a nice job.
Yeah.
It looks terrific.
Thank you, William.
It does.
And what was the name again?
Fran.
Miss Fran. I got a cousin named Fran. And you know what? Lee. And that's my last name is Lee, right there on your shirt. Yeah. So Miss Lee, Miss Fran, what made you choose me out of the other companies?
I like the fact that you were dustless
Great.
and that it looked like it would not be a 2-day process.
Bingo.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Look at FedEx in those new electric trucks. Can't even hear them. I am out here in the Sandy Springs area. I went out to Roswell this morning, did a consultation. Thank you to one of my clients, Miss Hill. She referred me to a friend in Roswell to get their engineered floors screen recoated and UV cured, which is the same thing I'm going to be doing on this house, but this is a site finish floor. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Williams. I came out last week, did an in-home consultation. They said, Courtney, let's do it. I got a pretty busy week this week, guys. Kids went back to school today, most counties, and we're gonna have a pretty rainy week this week, but I'm still grateful to be working. And then when I get the coating down here, I have a in-home consultation to do in Decatur for a move-in. So let me show you guys what I got going. All right, guys, so I am in the Sandy Springs, Georgia area. Let me show you what I got going today. Small project. I'm going to be doing a screen recoat to UV cure with a semi-gloss finish. And I'll show you what I got. Alrighty. So again, this is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Williams. Well, all right, guys. So what I'm going to be doing is just around this kitchen island, beautiful kitchen. All right. The floors are not bad. They just have some wear. And then again, this is a good indication. Like if you zoom in right here, you see a lot of surface scratches, and you can see the sheen going down. So just going to be doing this right here, guys. Nothing too big. This is 389 square feet. Screen Recoat UV cure, $4 a square foot. Then when I'm doing this potty room, I want to stop right there, and then I'm going to stop right here. All right, guys. I'm going to get go ahead and get started. They pulled the rug up. That looks like water damage, so again, that would not come out with my process. But he said it's fine because they're going to cover it back up anyway with the rug. All right, guys. Again, it was not a big job. Got the floor screened down, vacuum clean intact. Now I'm about to get the finish down, and then once I get the finish down, job that I went and did a consultation this morning. He just accepted the quote, engineered floor screen recoat with a little color correction and also UV curing. And I'm about to, after this, I'm gonna go do another consultation in downtown Decatur. All right, guys, stay tuned. Thank you, sir. So,
It's a good match with the other one.
yeah, it's one of my little color correction techniques that I use.
Well, it's good.
Yes, sir.
Hey. Well, it looks real nice.
Well, thank you,
So
William.
you're gonna be back
In about a couple hours.
couple hours?
Yep.
That's fine.
And when I come back, it'll take me maybe 15 minutes to UV cure it, and we'll be done.
Well, it looks terrific.
Thank you, William. That's what you wanted, that one-day recoat.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, Corey, we'll see you later.
All right, see you later, William. I'll be back. All right, guys, I just got back when they did another consultation and went very well. Well, they're going to be going towards the end of August because they're getting an elevator put in their home. And they want to wait till the elevator is put in before I come in and do the floors. And it's a big one. It's 3 floors and about 48 stairs. So anyway, guys, I just got back. Also, I had a client that I was supposed to do this Wednesday. He said, Courtney, unfortunately, the painters are not done. So he had to postpone. But guess what, guys? The Atlanta Women's Club, who I've been servicing for over 4 years, they just came through. They had an accident happen this weekend during a wedding, and they need me to come do the floor. So they got that slot that my client had to reschedule and postpone on Wednesday. But look at these floors, guys. Look at this. Man, this came out great. I also did some color corrections over here. You can't even see it anymore. I'm going to call Mr. Williams up and let him take a look. I think he's going to be very, very happy with this. All right, guys.
You do the whole, like, sand it down.
Yep.
And we're like, we don't need that.
I got so many people. I just came from a consultation. That's his first. That's what they said. They said, Courtney, we do not want to sand these floors. Yeah. We want to just do your dustless one-day system and get some good finish on it before we move in and get it UV cured. So thank you so much.
Yeah, that's what I read it, and it's like, I even wrote it down for Pat because he said, you look on the computer and I'll look on the phone. And I wrote down Truman. And then he kept looking at it. He's like, you keep saying this Truman. I said, that's the one place we need to go.
There you go, Truman. Well, thank you guys so much.
Sure.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and UV cure the floor. And then what I'm going to do is help Mr. Williams put the table back. That's all you need my help for, right? Putting the table. So we'll put the rug back. Put the table back, and I'll set it up with you guys.
That sounds good.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Looks really good.
Thank you. All right, guys. Clients are very happy with the floors. They want a nice sheen, so we went with a semi-gloss. So what I'm about to do now is do the UV cure, and I get these floors cured. All right, guys, for the UV cured. No scratches. See you in the next one.